That is horrible. Get it centered.
You really can't.
Animals like cows and sheep have multi-compartment stomachs that help them digest foods that are high in fiber, like grass or hay. The tongue, in the mouth, brings food into the mouth where it is chewed. The teeth rip and tear the food, and the tongue mixes it with saliva. The saliva in ruminants contains phosphorus and sodium, which help support microorganisms that live in the rumen. From the mouth, the food moves down the esophagus to the first stomach compartment, the reticulum. Honeycomb-like subcompartments trap foreign materials. The reticulum stores, sorts, and moves feed back to the esophagus for regurgitation. The food, also called a bolus, is re-chewed to remove excess moisture and to break fibrous waste down further. A regurgitated bolus is re-swallowed and deposited into the rumen. The rumen stores and mixes the food while it is fermented by bacteria to break down fibrous feeds. Carbs are broken into starches and sugars, and fatty acids are absorbed through the rumen wall to provide energy. Next, the food passes into the omasum, where roughages are ground and filtered by the many folds of the omasum walls. The last compartment of the ruminant stomach is the abomasum, which is comparable to a monogastric stomach. At this point, the fibers of roughages have been broken down so that they can be processed by the abomasum. After going through all stomach compartments, the food passes into the small intestine, where proteins, starches, and fats are broken down and absorbed into the bloodstream. Finally, the feed reaches the large intestine, where remaining fibers are broken down. In the colon, which is the end of the large intestine, excess water is removed from the waste materials. Lastly, the waste passes through the rectum and out of the animal.